We've got no machinery projects on the go at the moment, but we've got building projects on the go. Last October, well, the end of last year really, I found that the 2 bay windows needed extensive work. They've been up over 30 years and starting to show signs of rotting. So decided to have a plan to build a conservatory, renew the upstairs window, and start doing this room. So I've started on prepping the walls, sanding the walls, took a fireplace out, and now we're doing the major construction work. So let's have a closer look outside. The scaffolders have just been there and put some scaffolding up, ready to remove the bays. So that'll be the door, the entrance for the conservatory. Those bays will be removed as they become unsafe. This job I've been meaning to do for quite a long time, but I've had to bite the bullet and get it done because of the deterioration of the bays. So the block work is completed. I had to clear all this bit of land down here and move it up the top of the garden. So all that ivy is going to come down the bays. This is going to be like a maintenance only, this area here. Block the window up. So I started taking this ivy down, taking it down as far as I could, disconnected all the cabling for the telly, which has been modified to Sky Q. They put a temporary access point in here, cleared all this out. So when it's done, we'll have a pretty good view of the garden. But it's quite a big project, as you can see. But we're waiting now. The next plan is to board off inside there, so the room will be reduced by a third, bedroom and this room, so it'll be blocked off and secured while this baby will be removed. So we're waiting for the boarding to be done at the moment, and then maybe Friday or early next week both bays will be removed. So have a closer look. So far so good. The project's going quite well in spite of all the poor weather we've had. So I'm very pleased so far. But it was one of those jobs where financially I had to bite the bullet and get it done, because I didn't think it would last another winter, particularly the top bedroom there, that bay there, starting to lean out. So I've been patching it for over the year.